Alright, guys. After my little surgery, um, of course, after everything, you always have that one screw, and you're hoping that nothing goes wrong. So, yeah, should be working fine now. I say should, because, well, quite frankly, I have no experience with phones, like, at all, neither any technology whatsoever. So let's see if I made a bomb or I managed to make it work. Actually, hold on. Actually, no, it's probably a bad idea. Plug you in. Have I made a bomb or is it gonna charge? Oh my god! It's charging! I fixed it, guys! Oh! It's working! Let's fucking go!